We've worked thousands of hours to do our very best and make everyone happy. And now we're ready to celebrate because we just received an amazing review we're excited to share. Take a look. This is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.